Alright, I thought I'd give everybody an update. This is uh the 6 month and on the 1st, and Wednesday at 11:51. So therefore and everything, I've already came in here and took my front shocks off. I then cleared out everything that was going to be in my way. Ooh, look at that. I forgot about that. And what do you know? Huh. I'll put them on the frame back there. Well, I'll put them right there. Ain't no big deal. But I got the springs out of it and stuff. Well, not the springs, but I got the coils and stuff cleared out so I can order to get all that right there going. So I can turn and get all that right there. So I gotta get the bottom bump stops off. I got the top ones off, as you can see. And after I did the front, here's the major news. I finally got the bed and stuff off. And I cut this bump stop off over here. And believe me, that ain't no walk in the park either. And I got the rubber ones off. That part wasn't so bad, but and I gotta cut this one off. As you can see, that was tough, because I'm working with the tools I got, and I'm out here in a yard. I don't have no type of fancy tools. I got the only thing that I try and have to work with is a grinder and a Chicago electric welder and stuff. And I'm having to do everything outside, and when the weather is great. And these past couple of days, oh my god, the weather has been awful. So therefore and everything, I can't get everything done that I want done. So, but I just thought I'd let all y'all know that would be following me. If you do, I appreciate it. Whoa. Sorry about that. I apologize. The if you can, like, comment, subscribe, and because it would sure help me out. I've never done nothing like this before, so this is my very first time. I try to, I ain't got much money or anything like that, so I'm doing all this on a tight budget. But I just wanted to let y'all know where I was at on it. Peace out.